and prayer our living God for His grace and love to me. Especially I thank today old friend, fathers. I met him very long time. Our father Arult and all sisters, our provincial sisters there, and all the villagers. It is my dream that come true. And even me, I was here, the first student when it started. Yeah. I'm studying this school. This is the school that I'm studying. So, old student, very old student. I'm here from here. It is a long story actually. I was studying in Bengali medium school, that Twithampui. Then, who's here? I don't know. Who's here? Almost
74.
74. I was in Bengali medium school. I think class 3 or 4 I studied.
Established.
Yeah. Then they established here in medium school.
Yeah.
So that time very. No, I left the school and joined here in KG1. So this is the beginning. I was very young that time, and from there again I went to Jain Hill, to Rangamura, because it's only primary school here. But from there I went to Shillong, and my life actually was blessed by the Catholic missionaries. I cannot forget. Whatever I have achieved, whatever I became, it is only due to the blessing from the Catholic society, Catholic mission. I cannot forget it. And always I have a mind to serve the people, and I believe the saying that service to man is service to God. I try my best to the service to the people as well as to God. And being a missionary, product from missionaries, Catholic missionaries, I always have a mind to help out to the missionaries. Because now I got little chance, opportunity that I can help something to the people. Therefore, I really work hard. I never stay idle. Even one day I don't have a rest. When I get to school, I used to go here and there and visiting, meeting the people, helping the people. For the last 3 years, you all know, I have very busy. I used to work here and there. And this is my small village, and we are very thankful to God as well as and our community here that we pray long time to establish missionaries in our village. So we got it. Of course, it is beginning. Hopefully, slowly it will be developing, and I will cooperate with the sisters and all our community here for the future development. And I think in mind when on the way I lost sister, because now I'm the forest ministers. In my department, we're doing a lot of work. It's still plantation work, and plantation is very important for environment, for the district. So now our government have a policy that agar policy. So since there are a lot of land here, space is there, I prefer to grow agar. It's very commercial thing. So if necessary, I'll supply the plant which is available in the government with very limited cost, 1 or 2 rupees only. If you require, I'll be free also. So I prefer the sister to grow agar. Now the time to grow. So there are a lot of space we can grow here and there agar plant. And let's see in future. I cannot commit, but I am trying. So if I commit, then it will be. If I cannot, then it will be not good. But I'm trying my best to help, and I'm thinking within this year for the construction of the hostel, because I have some fund is available, but I have not directly to the school, but somehow I can manage. So I'm trying my best to at least 50 student hostel construction I'm going to give. And also I'm trying to establish one, it's not this thing, but I'm trying best to establish one school also there in the Graham site, one ecology school. I'm going to try. So hopefully this area is very deprived, as you all know. Communication-wise, it's very difficult, but nowadays it's improving the communication also. So hopefully we'll go to develop, and I always pray that there should be peace and tranquility should be maintained. But without peace, without unity, we cannot develop. So there should be peaceful environment as well as unity is very important. So I pray to God and we all pray together to bring peace and development in our area. Thank you.